Okay, so I didn't expect this. I'm going to be testing two metallic dual tip marker brands, Shuttle Art and Artistro, on three different types of paper, from cotton paper, which is the black, cream, and dark brown paper, because this is something I've learned is the paper actually changes how the metallic ink looks. So in this video, I'm going to write on each paper with both brands and compare them side by side to see which one actually performs better. Alright, so if you're interested in that, let's go ahead and get started. So the black paper, here's what I got from the cotton paper April intention box. Alright, so let me go ahead and pull out one of these markers. And it does have the fine tip and the dot. So there's the dot, and here's the fine tip. Alright, so let's see which one. Let me go ahead and write down the brand. So at least it does show on this black paper. It does show. And let me go ahead and do the dot marker. But I cannot wait to see how it looks on the brown paper without an out. Now I really can't see the dot marker. I see it a little bit with that. But it's not vibrant. And it says it's metallic. And to me, it really doesn't look really metallic. Let me know your thoughts in the comment. Because I know I've tried some other type of pens on black paper, and it looks like it's more vibrant compared to this. So, both of the brands that I am using, it is acrylic. So that's one thing to keep in mind. They're both acrylic, and the fine point is 1.0 for both of these as well. But we're just going to compare the difference between both brands. Like, I can't really see the dot on here, and then, let's see. Of course, the gold shows fine. Let's see. I'm going to fast forward because it is 24 markers. And then after I fast forward this, I'll be right back. Alright, so let me go ahead and pull out the cream paper. And I noticed when I did end up seeing the metallic when I was flipping the page. I definitely could see it then. Alright. And I knew this blue would be kind of dark and it wouldn't show on that black paper. So let me go ahead and pull this cream out so we can see the difference. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward until I get through this pack of pens. Alright, so now that I've tested several of those pens here, let me go ahead and pull out the brown paper from the Common Thread notebook. And let's go ahead and test it on the brown. Let's see how it looks on the brown because we've seen how it looks on the black and the cream paper. But let me go back to the back where I've tested some other brands. And let's see. Let me place this tab here and let's go ahead and test it on the brown so we can see how this brand looks on it. And this is the white here. So I'm loving how the white looks on the brown, and I will try a couple of other colors on the brown paper too, since I've tested several on the black and the cream. But I do like the white. Alright, and I think this brand does have it so you can just purchase the white if you just want white ink pens or markers. So I'm going to test a few more colors on the brown paper with this brand. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part until I get to the next brand. Okay, so that is all that I'm going to test on the brown paper. And it looks okay. Like I said, with the white, it's perfect. And I don't think you can go wrong with the white. I mean, I know you can't go wrong on the brown, but the white does look perfect on the brown. So I did test just a couple of the browns. A couple of the pens on the brown, but I would test all of the Shuttle Art or all three colors. So this one has 28 in the Shuttle Art, and the other one had 24. So you do get a lot of pens that you can test. And like I said, they do have smaller sizes. I'm not sure if they have smaller sizes in the metallic. Now I know they do have it like in the white ink, in gold and silver, but I'm not sure about the metallic. And that's what I'm focusing on with these two. Alright, so let me go ahead and get this open. So let me know if there's any favorite pens that you have found that you absolutely love on brown or black paper. Let me know. And then if you have any favorite metallic colors, let me know because someone else might be interested in knowing what other metallic pens or markers that look great on the dark brown paper or black paper. Alright, and this is the Shuttle Art brand here. And like I said earlier, it's a dual marker as well. And it has the dot. I got the dot. And I think this one does come in the brush. You can get the fine tip or the brush tip. But I got the fine tip. Alright, so I do see the green. And I do see it good on the black. And I'm sure you're going to see it definitely on the cream for sure. Let me go ahead and write the brand name so I would know. Okay. And let me do the dot marker. So I do like I kind of see a little bit difference between this one and the other one, but I definitely need to test a few more pens before I say that. So let me go ahead and write on the brown paper. And let me go ahead and write Shuttle Art here so I will know where I started with this particular brand. Alright, hopefully you can see it. And let me test a couple more colors. What I'm going to do, test all the colors. Let's see which one I'm going to pick this time. Alright, let's do this one here. And I'm really curious to see if they show on the dark paper, especially with this color, because this is like a deep color here. And to see if I can still see it on the dot paper. So I definitely can see it. Let me go ahead and do the dot. Now I really like the dot markers on the dot paper. Let's see if it shows on the brown. And for me, I'm thinking that I like the color ink on the black more than on the dark brown paper. Like I love the white that's on the brown paper. I love the white ink on that. And I have to see how the silver will look. But yeah, I'm loving it on the black paper. And I'm not sure if silver is in here or not. But overall, both of them look great on the cream paper for sure. Alright, let's dot this one here. And I'm going to fast forward and then I'm going to give you my final thoughts at the end. So I'm almost done testing all of the pens from the Shuttle Art, and I am in awe of the Shuttle Art metallic that's on the brown and the black. But the black with the metallic, it is just absolutely beautiful. And especially when you see the sunlight hit it, you can just tell when I lift the paper up and you see the sunlight hitting it, you can definitely tell the difference. So if I had to choose between both brands, it would definitely hands down be Shuttle Art because it looks great on all three colors. Now, when it comes to the brown paper, I will be selective of what color ink I will use on that. But the Shuttle Art is the way to go because Shuttle Art does have the fine tip, but it also has a brush tip with the dot marker. And I absolutely love dot markers. Even on the cream, I like the way it looks. And then here on that black, and when the light hits, oh, absolutely, you can tell the difference between the brands. And here is the brown paper. You can see the difference between the brands there too. So Bestie, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll have the link of the Common Thread notebook and the pens that I used in the comments. And then if you're interested in black paper from other small businesses that I do purchase them from, I'll have their information in the comments as well. And let me know your thoughts in the comments. And like I said earlier, if you have any recommendations of any pen brands or pen types for black paper, brown paper, the dark brown paper, let me know in the comments. I will really look forward to hearing your recommendations. Alright, best, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, tap thumbs up, hype my video up, and please engage with me in the comments. Alright, bestie, toodles!